can't even
What was that?
They suck. That was thunder.
That was good.
Say hi.
No. Get out.
No.
Why don't you record them?
They're genius work. How many people does it take to put up a tarp?
Burger. Are they burning?
Probably.
I don't think
Say
she's
hi.
worried about the hamburger.
Say
I'll
hi.
put up the middle finger right now.
I'll break it.
They're not.
He's so bad. Like, you're 8. You're not 20. You're not. Your father is
He
31.
used to be good. He's getting bad lately.
He used to be good when he was little. Now he's a little brat.
You are too.
I'm good. I don't disrespect my elders. Some of them.
Yeah, Nana.
Huh?
Nana.
I'm nice to her.
Nuh-uh, she told me.
Don't lie to yourself. Val, say hi. Say hi!
Where's your little booty?
Look at her.
What? Oh my god, she looks skinny though.
Let me
She's gonna
see.
put that on Facebook.
Let me see.
Derek, say hi.
Keek. Keek. I
Jerome,
love the pic.
Jerome, say hi. Look over the camera. Say hi. It's a video, you idiot. Richard,
I'm coming back in here as you go out. You understand
I
that,
promise
right?
you that.
You're
You
not
were staying
coming
out
back
there and get
here.
rained on. You are not coming back in here.
Come on, stop.
Because I have to sleep in here, and if I touch mud, I'm going to your thing and dumping the refrigerator's ice at you.
What?
And then throwing you in the rain and
Don't
hoping you
keep
get shot.
stepping on me.
Johnny, say hi.
Oh, but I don't care.
Richard, say hi. Richard, say hi.
Johnny, give that to Richard right now. Give it to Richard. No.
You're tired.
You just had Why don't you guys take a nap too?
Yeah, everyone's taking out.
Look at this. Look how nasty this is. Look at it.
Beyonce was awake.
Look at that.
He's laying down now. He was like, speaking. He's getting up. I'm just like putting this over. I can see everything.
Gonna get all muddy.
Now come back in.
Cuckoo's gonna get you.
Derek's knocked out down, just laying down. Johnny's not coming back in because he went outside like a bad boy.
Why do you have to tap on it?
Huh?
Why do you have to tap on it?
Because they can hear you.
Hey, stop that!
Why is your monkey man climbing up the tree?
Oh my God, that's okay.
I'm about to go on my own tent.
And get that one all dirty.
There's a carpet.
They set it up like a house. Have you been in there? Yeah. They put the bed, 2 beds, the fridge, and a carpet.
I didn't hear you. Sorry. What'd you say?
At Yogi some people stay.
My food's done?
Here. I want a cheeseburger.
Burger? What is that?
Just a burger.
I'll be right back.
Huh?
Me? All the stuff is in here. Thank you, though. I was gonna get up and get it, but I just changed my mind. I don't want to get dirty.
Let me keep
You
it
gotta
mine.
get dirty. You can't be. Really
Relax, Jerome. You're not the only one that wants to eat. You already had a hot dog, so do not stop.
Your boyfriend is climbing, your husband is climbing the tree. Look at him. He's down.
Can you move in and I'm trying to put this on there?
Yeah.
I want to see.
The relish, you want relish, ketchup?
I need ketchup.
Why are they ascending the cheese?
So we can
Sounded
go in
so
there
smart.
and have s'mores.
I still don't know how to zoom in on this.
We should have like
They can't.
Jump on the caterpillars, get the heart. Jump, you see the monster. You see the hearts on the monster. Get out.
Ah!
Don't get me, because whatever I'm on, if you have to leave it, I'm not even kidding. I look disgusting. If I don't look, I don't care. I look gross. Give me that.
Hungry, I want.
What?
You didn't get one?